This show is brought to you by NMDC Group.
EAN's net profit rises 20% and DIB's net profit climbs 18%. You're watching The Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. EAN saw a 20% year-on-year rise in net profit to $816.78 million as aggregate group subscribers rose 3.3% to 167 million, the highest level in the company's history. Consolidated revenues rose by 3.3% to $3.65 billion. Consolidated EBITDA rose 3% year-on-year to $2.45 billion. EAN registered an EBITDA margin of 51%. Officials say they saw strong subscriber acquisitions in Egypt, Pakistan, the UAE, Chad, Burkina Faso, Afghanistan, Togo, Niger, and Benin. Dubai Islamic Bank, the biggest Islamic lender in the UAE, saw its Q3 net profit rise 18% year-on-year to $1.3 billion. DIB also reported net financing and sukuk investments of $72.15 billion, up 11.3% year-to-date. The first 9 months of the year saw $3.95 billion in total income, registering 47% growth year-on-year. DIB says growth was driven by rising core revenues, non-funded income, and lower impairment charges. Saudi may keep the price of its flagship Arab light crude little changed to Asia after 5 months of price hikes as the market juggles supply uncertainty with declining demand. Analysts expect Aramco to set the price for its medium sour crude at around $4 a barrel above the Oman-Dubai average. Crude prices soared at the onset of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict, but the rally has eased with no physical supply removed from the market and as the outlook for China demand remains uncertain. The Federal Reserve is widely expected to announce at the end of its meeting today that it will keep interest rates at their current 22-year high. Analysts say Fed officials appear to have signaled they will hold rates steady this month. If this is the case, interest rates in the GCC should also remain unchanged after GCC banks raised interest rates in line with the Fed over the past year. China Evergrande has reportedly proposed a new debt restructuring plan for offshore bondholders. It's reportedly offering to swap their debts into a 30% equity stake in each of the developer's 2 Hong Kong-listed subsidiaries, Evergrande Property Services Group and Evergrande New Energy. Its offshore bondholders hold about $19 billion of debt. They're likely to take a major hit on their investments if they agree to the new terms. Toyota's Q3 operating profit rose a whopping 155.6% year-on-year to $9.52 billion. Boosted by a weak yen and strong sales, the Japanese automaker has now raised its full-year forecast by 50% to $29.73 billion. Tesla won the first U.S. trial over allegations that its autopilot driver assistant feature led to a death. It's a major victory for the automaker as it faces several other lawsuits and federal investigations related to the same technology. The verdict represents Tesla's second big win this year as juries didn't find its software to be defective. Elon Musk says Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving systems are crucial to his company's future, but they've drawn regulatory and legal scrutiny. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is The Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye.
This show is brought to you by NMDC Group.